Hi everybody, I am going to discuss both multiplication algorithm. In this video, I am going to discuss the concept of both multiplication algorithm, the hardware implementation of both multiplication, as well as flowchart, and finally the example of both multiplication algorithm. Let us consider the points. Both algorithms gives a procedure for multiplying integers in sign to complement presentation. It is one of the efficient algorithm for multiplying two signs integer numbers. So the hardware for both algorithms is given below. Let us consider the hardware. There is a BA register, that is a base register. It is used to hold the multiplicand, and the keyword register, it is used to hold multiplier. The BR is used to hold the multiplicand and keyword is used to hold the multiplier. AC is a accumulator register that is used to hold the partial result as well as the final result. There is a hardware that is complementer. It is used to perform 2's complement of the negative numbers and to add the number between BR and AC. So there is a complementer as well as parallel adder that is used to perform complement as well as addition operation between BR and AC. There is a sequence counter register that is used to hold the number of bits required for the multiplication. The number of bits, the number of digit in a numbers in the numbers, and the Qn is the least significant bit, LSB bit of the number Qn, and the Qn plus 1 is the next bit after the least significant bit. This is the n plus 1 bit after the least significant bit. So this is the concept of hardware implementation of Booth algorithm. So first of all, we have to store multiplicand and multiplier. Multiplier is stored in BR and multiplicand stored in keyword. Then perform the negative numbers, that is the perform the complement of the negative number. Then the algorithm follow the procedure. Let us consider the flowchart of the Booth algorithm. Let us consider the flowchart of Booth algorithm. First of all, start and then initialize. That is a multiplicand in BR, multiplier in keyword. This is the first step. This is the first step. Next one is initialize AC as 0. AC mean accumulator, and Qn plus 1 is initialized to 0. Sequence counter is initialized to n. You can write AC equal to 0 also. This is the micro instruction. AC 0 is transferred to AC. 0 is transferred to Qn plus 1. AC is initialized to n. That is the sequence counter. Then the next stage. There is a Qn and Qn plus 1. There is a Qn and Qn plus 1. We have to check this least significant bit, and after the bit of next to the next significant bit. If it is 0 and 0, if it is 0, it is equal. If it is 0 0, then just perform arithmetic right shift ASHR, AC and keyword, and then sequence counter is decremented to minus 1. AC equal to AC minus 1. If it is 1 0, then we have to perform AC plus BR bar plus 1. AC plus BR bar plus 1. Then the result is for further calculation, that is arithmetic shift right. When it is 0 1, then we have to perform AC plus BR. Then result is transferred to arithmetic shift right. When it is 1 and 1, then it is 0s and 0. When it is 0 and 0, then just simply perform arithmetic right shift. And if it is 1 and 1, then we can also, if it is 1 and 1, then we have to perform right shift, arithmetic right shift, and sequence counter is decremented. So in both cases 0 0 1 1, the operation is same. In case of 1 0, that is you have to perform AC plus BR bar plus 1. In case of 0 1, it is AC BR plus AC plus BR. Then we have to check whether the sequence counter equal to 0 or not. If it is not equal to 0, then the result is moved to then the iteration is next. We have to check. If it is not equal to 0, then we have to move back the procedure again. If it is 0, the answer is AC and keyword. This is the output result, and we have to stop it the flowchart. So this is the concept of Booth algorithm. In this algorithm, just we have to store multiplier in beer, multiplier in keyword, then initialize SC as 0, Qn plus 1 is 0, SC is n is the number of bit. Now we have to check whether Qn and Qn plus 1 is 0, 0 or 1, 1, then we have to perform only arithmetic shift and sequence count is decremented. If it is 1, 0, then SC plus BR bar plus 1. If it is 0, 1, then SC plus BR. And until and unless SC is 0, we have to repeat the procedure again. When SC is 0, we will get the result from SC and keyword. So this is the concept of Booth algorithm. Now let us consider the example. -7 into -5. We know the multiplication stored in beer, that is equal to -7, and multiplier stored in keyword, that is equal to 5. And the binary of 7 is, that is 1 2 4 8 1 1 1, meaning that is 1 1 1. And multiplier of keyword, that is keyword 5, is 1 0 1. 4 plus 1 equal to 5 is 1 0 1. We have to add extra 0 because the result will be more than 4 bit, so we have to add extra 0. As the number is negative, then we have to perform 2's complement of the number. That is 1's complement is 1 0 0 0, and 2's complement means addition of 1 again, that is 1 0 0 1. So here is 1 0 0 1, and as the number is positive, no need to perform the 2's complement of this number. So this number is remain 0 1 0 1. Now consider the table. That is Qn, there is a Qn bit, then is Qn plus 1, then AC accumulator, then keyword mean quotient registers, that is multiplied, then Qn plus 1 again, and then finally sequence counter. Initially from the flowchart, that is equal to 0, that is equal to 0 0 0, as the number of bit is 4, so we have to write 4 0. Qr is 0 1 0 1, Qn plus 1 is initialized to 0. AC is the number of bit, that is 4, binary of 4 is 1 0 0. Qn plus 1 is 0, and Qn is bit is, this is the key LSB bit, that is 1. So this is the initial step. Now we have to write the initial value for further calculation. So as the Qn and Qn plus 1 is 1 0, Qn is 1 and Qn plus 1 is 0, that is the this way we have to check whether 1 0 0 1 or 0 0 1 1. As it is 0 1 0, then we have to perform AC plus BR bar plus 1. Now AC is 0 0 0 0 here. BR bar plus 1 is 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1. Now the new AC is 0 1 1 1. Now new AC is 0 1 1 1. Keyword remain 0 1 0 1. And then we have to perform arithmetic right shift. According to arithmetic right shift, this bit is remain intact, and 0 is shifted, 1 is shifted, 1 and 1 is moved for the QR bit, 0 1 0, and finally 1 is transferred to Qn plus 1. Now the sequence counter is decremented. Decremented mean that is 4 to 3 0 1 1. Now Qn bit is 0, Qn bit is 0, and Qn plus 1 is 1. Then we have to write this result for the further calculation. Now we have to check again 0 1 for 0 1 0 1 AC plus BR bar, AC plus BR. For 0 AC is 0 0 1 1, BR is, that is BR 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1. Now AC plus BR means 0 1 1 0 1 1, that is 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0, and QR is, that is 1 0 1 0. Now we have to perform the arithmetic shift right. It's 1 then 1, then 1 is 0, 0 is transferred here, 1 and 0. Now size is decremented to 2 0 1 0. Here Qn bit is 1, and Qn plus 1 is 0 1 0. Now for the 1 0 we have to compute again, because sequence counter is not 0 0. Until unless the sequence count is 0, we have to calculate this procedure. 0 1 0 is equal to not 0 0 0. So here is the 1 0. Then again we have to check AC. There is a Qn plus 1. As it is 1 0, then we have to perform AC plus BR bar plus 1. AC is 1 1 1 0. BR bar plus 1 is, that is equal to 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1. So the result is 1 1 1 0 1 1 0 plus 1 1 1 0, and there is a carry. Carry is discarded here. So AC plus BR bar plus 1 equal to 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1, and now arithmetic shift operation 0 1 1 0, 1 is transferred here, 0 1 0, and it is 1. So the size is 0 0 1. Now the Q and bit is 0, Q and bit is 0, and Q1 plus 1 is 1. Write the 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 0 1. Now as it is 0 1, then AC plus BR. AC is 0 0 1 0, BR is 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1. Add this number, that is 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 1, and Q1, that is 1 0 1 0. Now perform the arithmetic right shift, that is 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 1, and 0 is shifted to Q1 plus 1 bit. Now this is decremented to 0 0 0. As SC counter is 0 0 0, so we have to stop the procedure. Here finally we get the result, and the Q1 bit is 1, that is Q1 bit is 1, and Q1 plus 1 is 0. As SC is 0 0 0, so this is the final result. So answer is SC and keyword. SC and keyword is the answer, that is equal to 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 1. Now we have to check whether the answer is negative or not. If one number is given number is negative, another is positive, then answer should be negative, and we have to perform 2's complement. If both the number is positive or both the number is negative, then no need to perform 2's complement. Here one number is -7, another is positive, that is plus 5. So we have to perform the 2's complement of the answer, because answer is negative. So 2's complement means 1's complement is here 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 0, and add 1, that is equal to 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 1. So this is the final result. So result is answer is 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 1. Now we have to perform the decimal number of that binary. Here 1 2 4 8 16 32, 32 plus 2 plus 1, that is equal to -35. So finally this is the answer. In this video I have discussed how Booth algorithm operates, the flow chart, the hardware implementation, and the example. Thank you very much for watching this video. Share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.